Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the Studio Web. So basically, Studio Web where we can see there is a fast, frictionless start to automation right from the browser. So in the browser itself, we can use the Studio, and if we will use in the browser, so it we get the benefits like the process will be fast, and there is a second advantages where we get there is no dependencies and there is no installation required. So previously we were using the UiPath tool, where we need to download, and then after we need to install that, and then after we can start automations. And here there is one more advantage, included the existing driver developer license itself, we can launch the studio. So if we will talk about the efficiency, speed, so of course efficiency will be increased, and the capacity with serverless robot will be expanded, and the Wave Studio is easily provisioned, configured, and easy to deploy the automation on the cloud. Whatever the automation we will do, it is easy to deploy into the cloud and automate the response to cyber related incidents, and we can automate the responses related to the cyber related incidents. So here we have the a small use case where we need to go through the website, Acme website, and log into that website. After that, in the website we need to click on the work items. In the work item itself we will get the data table, and that data table we need to extract there, and that extracted data table we need to convert into the string, and then after we need to print into the logs. So here we will go into the orchestrator. So here I have already logged in to the orchestrator, so we need to go into the studio. Here we can see like there is option of studio, so there we will go. Here you will get the options. There is multiple tabs: templates, project, automation, runs, and connections. So we need to go through the projects tab, where you will get the option new project. So click over the new project. So you need to give the name like demo wave project. Just hit on to the create. So here in this Wave Studio, you will get the option of the plus icon where you can add the activity. So here we will take the use browser activity. So use browser activity, where you will get the option of the tabs which you have opened already, the orchestrator and the Acme system one work items. So here we can see like there is an option work in scope. So when you will click over there, you can see like the tabs which we have opened, it will reflect here. So I will just select the Acme system one, and then after we will log out this one. So from starting we will record it. So just, and then after we will take the type into activity. So type into activity, where we need to give the email ID. So just we will indicate the target. So here we will indicate the email ID options, and it will take automatically as an anchor. So here in the setting option, where you can modify the selector as well. So if you want to modify the selector, then you can click over settings and you can modify it. As of now, there is no requirement to modify the selector, so just I'm clicking on the confirm. So before that, I will use the get credential activity. So get credential activity, as we know, like the assets we are saving into the orchestrator, we can extract from there. So I have already created the asset as the name of Acme credential, where I have already saved the email ID and the password for the Acme. So just here we can select the Acme credential assets, and here we will create the variable. So in the output, there is a option of username as output. So there is a option of, as we can see, like there is a plus sign where we need to click there. You will get two options: use variable or save as a variable. So usually when we use the use variable, so when already we have created the variable, and then after we can use this option. Otherwise you need to click on the save as a variable. Save as a variable, you will get the option of variable name you need to give. So I will give as a Acme user. I will create it. Same, we need to create the password variable also. So I will just hit on the save as a variable. So variable name I will give Acme pass. I will create it. So here type into, when you will get the option of plus sign, so you can use the use variable. So I will just use the Acme user, and then after again we will use the type into activity. So this type into activity for the password. So we will hit target. So anchor it automatically it takes. So we will hit the confirm, and here we will select as a secure text, because the password in the secure text. So first we will do the secure text. Now we will use the use variable, and use variable we will take as a Acme pass. Then after we will take the click activity. So click activity for selecting the login button. So we will just take it login, and we will confirm it. Then after we need to go through the website. So basically I need to log into the website, so I can record the extraction, data table extraction. So I'm just to log in manually. Now we will take the click activity for clicking on the work item option, and we will select as a target work item, and anchor we will select as a user option, and we will hit confirm. After that, clicking on the work items, we will extract the data table. So manually I have gone through that, and we will use the extract data table activity. So extract data table activity we will use here. So I need to select the select data to extract. So here we will select action. So when you will select the column name, it will give you the option, would you like to extract all the columns from the table? When you will hit yes, then it will automatically extract the column name as well as its value. So all the rows has been extracted as well as column has been extracted. So when you will hit on the preview, you can see, like, you can confirm like data has been extracted. So just I will close it. And if you want to extract the multiple pages, then you just need to click here. You need to enable these options. So as of now, as a demo purpose, I am just extracting the data for the one page. So I just clicking on the save and close. So after extracting data table, you need to create variable where you can store the data table. So just I'm saving that variable. Here I will create the variable name. So dt acme date. I will create it. After extracting the data table, we need to convert into the string. So we will take the activity output data table. So we will take output data table activity. So when you will click here there, so you will get the option here dt acme data, and as output we need to create here. So I will just take save as a variable. Here I will create str acme data. I will create it, and I will take the log message so we can print in the output logs. So I will just take the str of the acme data, str acme data variable, and log label I will set as a info. So we have recorded all the things. Now here we are getting the option of run step by step. So run step by step, nothing but one by one activity we can run, otherwise we can hit the run, so it will in one time it will run. So I will hit the run activity run option. So here we can see, like, connecting to your live stream. So here we can see, like, it is launch the browser, typing email ID, password, login, hitting on the click button, and then after work items it hit it and extraction happened. So here we can see in the log message all things have been see here str url WIID, description, type, status, and date has been extracted. So here one more thing we can see, the activity which it ran, we can see there is a like ran successfully in the green color. So we can confirm like this activity has no error. And there is option in the Web Studio, like you can get the templates also. So in the next video we will see like how can we use the templates. Thanks everyone.